2002 Pontiac Trans Am T-Top Coupe here at Unique Specialty and Classics. LS1 power underneath the hood, so 5.7 liter V8. It's paired up with an automatic transmission, automatic with overdrive to be exact. Nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC. Technician did note that the AC would need a charge or a little bit of attention as far as blowing cold. Not blowing cold at the moment. Take a look at the front fascia. Of course, the WS6 package with that hood scoop. It also comes with the filler panel. That's with the car also. Extra set of floor mats, and then it has the shades for the T-top that you can put in too. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see those at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website, and of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Actual mile car, 110, 165, so 110,165. There's a few little spots where it's been touched up, maybe a minor little blemish here or there on that front fascia, but you can see paint has a nice shine to it. Navy blue metallic, I believe this was, as far as the actual Pontiac paint color name. Riding on the correct polished wheels, WS6 wheels. Goodyear Eagle radial tires. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. See, these body panels are nice and straight. No major nicks, dings, or scratches. Has the dark charcoal leather interior, bucket seats, center console. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a little closer peek at that interior. If you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. In the still pictures, you're going to be able to see the T-tops in and the T-tops out, so you're aware of that. WS6 wing. Dual exhaust. Technician did note that one of the mufflers is going to need some attention. Starting to rot a little bit. I mentioned the extra set of floor mats. There's those shades for the T-tops. And then, of course, that filler panel with that front license plate spot. A few other notes from the technician on this one. No shakes or vibration. Brakes straight. Brakes are 70% in the front, 80% in the rear. There is a check engine light on. It's for a number 2 cooling fan. Circuit fan failed, just to give you a heads up on that one. Consignor said to announce it and price it accordingly. Be a fun sports car without breaking the bank, no doubt about that. Technician also noted just some minor seeps, powertrain, typical for a car that's driven. It's a car you can go out and have fun with. Take her for a spin, and if you like Trans Ams, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. We've gotten some very interesting and a few rare ones in just recently, so definitely check that out. When these videos are uploaded, the videos, cars in the videos are available to purchase. That can be done online or right off our showroom floor. And if you know anything about Trans Ams, you know about those cracks in that door panel and how it wasn't quite engineered right behind that door panel. Very, very common. Otherwise, interior looking good as far as carpeting. Seating surfaces, not bad at all. You're going to be able to see the front and rear seats in the still pictures. Of course, we have a tilt column, cruise control, steering wheel controls, monsoon stereo system, AM, FM, CD player. There is a CD changer in the trunk you're going to see in the still pictures. Of course, your modern amenities, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. As far as the rubber gaskets up here, these are very pliable. They're not rigid at all. Gaskets in good shape. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Show you those exact miles. All right, so 110, 165, there's exact miles. I mentioned that service engine soon light, and that is for the number 2 cooling fan. Circuit fails, you know what it is. Otherwise, here's all the other gauges are working. Top of the dash looking good. I haven't played around with this stereo. Should probably check this out. working. Steering wheel controls for volume. And steering wheel controls for seat. Looks like steering wheel controls are working. AM, FM. Yeah, steering wheel controls working. We'll take a peek underneath the hood. Like I said, Jason's going to take it for a drive too at the end of the video, so stick around. Doesn't sound too bad. But Tech did mention muffler may need attention in the future. These wing pedestals look like they're in good shape too. Sometimes known to crack. Doesn't look bad. See if I can get this one-handed here. Nice light hood and underside of the hood. And again, that is the WS6 Ram Air intake. Battery is from June of 24, so battery's not that old. There it is. That LS1 5.7 liter V8. Nice power plant. And I suppose we should take a look at those headlights, see how those work. No problems there. How about going back down? Go back down fine also. All right, 2002 Pontiac Trans Am WS6 T-Top Coupe. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pictures, 100 plus pictures online. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're taking a ride in a 2002 Pontiac Trans Am in beautiful blue with that awesome hood and front end that these cars have. This is an automatic on the center console, so it's easy to drive. We've got stereo controls on the steering wheel. Plenty of power and responsive throttle. Our temperature gauge shows about 180, oil pressure 75, possibly 70 psi. The battery gauge is showing charging about 14 volts, and the fuel gauge is 3/4 of a tank. Our speedometer and tachometer are working. Monsoon stereo from Pontiac.
Then dinner together.
That is working well. You have a full equalizer. I have not tested CD, but FM is working. The blower motor also blowing air. Nice leather bucket seats, very comfortable. We have tilt steering wheel. Glass T-tops over my head. Anytime you can get those, get them. It just makes the car that much cooler, and you can see the sky anytime you want. Remove them, it's almost like a convertible. Brakes are nice and smooth. Corners corners nice and flat. This black interior against the dark blue looks really good. And the kickdown works well on the automatic transmission. Check out all the pictures of this Trans Am at UniqueClassicCars.com.